In the previous video, we were doing some comparison of different multimeters, and I left one part out because I really felt that it was beating down a meter that was already down. But the more I thought about it, we need to talk about it. On this Fluke 187B, if we're measuring a milliamp signal, we have a 400 milliamp fuse. And if we're measuring big amps, we have a 10 amp fuse. And we look at this brand X meter, on the milliamp, it says 500 milliamp max fuse. And on the 10 amp, it says unfused. And right here is where the 500 milliamp fuse should be. And this bar right here is sort of directly across instead of there being a fuse on the 10 amp spot. And at that point, the meter and the leads are turning in the fusible link. And what are you holding in your hand? Now, I'm not telling you that you need to run out and purchase the Fluke meter. Fluke is not sponsoring this video, but you do need to get serious about the tools that you're using when you're testing voltage. We did create this playlist right here with some great selection tips.